everyone, in this video, I'll be showing you 2 easy ways to share your Canva designs on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, open Canva and find the design you want to share. Step 1. Copy the design link. Method 1. Hover over your design thumbnail. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner, then select Copy Link. Method 2. Open the design. Click the Share button in the top right corner. Under Share options, select Public View Link and click Create Public View Link. Copy the link provided. Step 2. Share on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and paste the copy link into a chat. Use shortcuts Ctrl+V for quicker sharing. Step 3. Disable sharing optional. 1. Go back to your Canva design. 2. Click Share greater than Public View Link. 3. Click the 3 dots next to the link and select Delete. 4. Confirm by clicking Delete again. That's it. Your design is now private once more. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching.